Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best Wen Track saws that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Makita SP6000J1 circular saw kit with a 55-in guide rail. This tool operates on a very powerful 12-amp motor which allows it to have the maximum performance when working on a wide range of applications. What's more, it has precision cutting accuracy in order to give splinter-free mirror finishes. You will realize that this tool comes at a bit higher price, but the truth of the matter is that it will give value for money. You will also enjoy the convenience of adjusting the speed of this saw depending on the task that you wish to perform with it. Its large cutting capacity is the other thing that it prides itself on. To give you enough purchasing confidence, you will appreciate that it comes with a warranty of 1 year. What's more, there is a guaranteed refund of money within 30 days. Moving on at number 4, we have the DEWALT DCS520ST 160 volts cordless track saw. This is an impressive saw that offers a high performance, precise cuts as well as rugged durability. You will appreciate that it has a cordless system, meaning that it operates on a battery, which makes it easy and convenient to use. Another great feature that you will like about this tool is that it gives a speed of up to 4,000 rotations every minute. The bevel cutting range for this tool is 47 degrees and has a maximum cutting depth of 2 1/8, which makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. You will also be happy to realize that it comes with an anti-kickback design to make sure that it becomes very convenient to operate. Since it comes from a reputable brand, you need to purchase with confidence. At number 3, we have the Shopfox W1835 track saw. In case you are pursuing woodworking as a hobby as opposed to a profession, you will like to use this light-duty saw blade from Shopfox. It comes at a very affordable price and also has features that will never let you down even if you are using it professionally. With 9 amperes and 120 volts in terms of power, you will definitely get the most from this tool. The maximum speed that is attained by this circular blade is 5500 RPM, meaning that it will speed up and also simplify your cutting jobs. This tool has a blade size of 160 mm in terms of diameter with a rim speed of up to 9,070 feet every minute. You will also appreciate that it comes with a dust port that will flawlessly connect to the shop vacuum. At number 2, we have the Worx WX530L Exactrack circular saw. This is a 6:1:2 saw that easily makes circular cuts with the best accuracy and control. The patented feature will greatly help you to make straight and very easy rip cuts. You will also be happy to realize that it has a lightweight design but actually delivers the power that you need to cut in a straight and steady manner every other time. The flush mount design for the blade, on the other hand, will help to increase visibility. What's more, it comes with a very simple to use bevel gauge that allows you to achieve precise angles. Basically, this powerful tool enables you to carry out the heavy-duty tasks very easily. You will also appreciate the ease with which you switch the tools depending on the usage intentions. And finally at number 1, we have the Craftsman 7:1:4 circular saw. This product operates on a high-performance motor that operates at a maximum of 5,500 rotations every minute in order to give the most aggressive cuts. You will appreciate that the tool-free beveling shoe will easily pivot at 55 degrees. That makes it easy to use when you need the angled cuts. Despite coming from a reputable brand, you will appreciate that the saw has a very affordable price. Another feature that you will definitely appreciate about the product is that it has a magnesium shoe that makes it durable and also helps to reduce the weight. What's more, it features metallic upper and lower guards that help to enhance its durability. You will also appreciate that it has a contoured and over-molded handle that makes it very comfortable to use. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.